unmute your video so that I can see you. Good. Priyanshi and Shreyanshi have unmuted. Now, okay, Priyanshi, Shreyanshi, Vishnu Priya, then Dhananjay, Swastik, Tashwat, please unmute your video. Himanshu Naik, sir, are you our sir or student?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Go on, sir, go on.
Okay, right. The student, clear is my face is appearing to you as well as my sound is clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So because it is spoken English class, isn't it? In spoken English class, what you need to do? What you need to do in spoken English? Why you want to learn English? Priyanshi, you are requested to say that why we learn English. हम इंग्लिश क्यों सीखते हैं? Okay, say something. Is there anyone that can say that why we learn English? Okay, I'm coming to this point. I will tell you that why we learn English and what is its importance of learning English. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. I think only you 5 or 6 candidate or student are there. Other student may not participate here. Okay, no problem. First, English. English is a just language. Spoken English is a language. Spoken means what? What we speak. Mother tongue. Our mother tongue is Odia. हम उड़िया में बातचीत करते हैं तो आवर मदर टंग उड़िया हमको कोई कहाँ जाकर सीखना पड़ता है क्या? No, generally we learn Odia language at our home, and as we are studying in where English medium school, so that we also talk in Hindi language, isn't it? Likewise, English is a just language. English is a language, so we have to learn it. Okay. Then spoken English. Spoken English means which is spoken in our day-to-day life, that is known as spoken English. Okay. Is English is our mother tongue or it is a foreign tongue? English is a language of foreign tongue. It is not our mother tongue, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to do? What we need to do, because it is our not a mother tongue, so that what we need to do so that we can learn English language? हमको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? If you want
Yes,
to swim,
sir.
if you want to swim in a pond, if you want to swim, that what you need to do? आपको पानी अगर तैरने के लिए कोशिश करोगे तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to go to the pond and you have to practice for swimming. Otherwise you can't swim, right? If you want to ride a bicycle,
Yes, sir.
then what you need to do? You have to take your bicycle and then you can start riding bicycle, so that after practicing many times, that you can learn how to ride a bicycle, right? Likewise, if you want to learn English language, then what you need to do? You have to practice. You have to practice. बहुत practice करना पड़ेगा. अगर practice नहीं करोगे तो can you speak better English?
No, sir.
No, right. So all participants are requested to converse with me. मेरे साथ वार्तालाप करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Do not see that whether your grammatical is good or not. Grammar को नहीं देखना है, बोलना है. Okay? बोलने से ही बोलना आएगा. If you speak, then you can learn speaking. If you do not speak, you can't learn how to speak English. Got my point? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है ना? Good.
Yes, sir. आ रहा है सर समझ में.
Yes, sir. तो हमको इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? What we need to do? कुछ रीजन होना चाहिए. क्या रीजन है इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए? मैं तुम्हें कुछ पॉइंट बताऊंगा, वो पॉइंट को ध्यान से सुनना है और लिखना है. Have you got your pen and paper?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You show me your pen and paper first. Show me your all pen paper. Okay, whatever I will call you, you have to write on your note copy. Got my point? Okay, then if you want to learn English, then what are the reason? What are the reason to learn English? Number one reason, write down. English is a global language. Number 1 point. First, write the importance of English. First of all, write number 1 point. English is a global language. ग्लोबल का मतलब समझते हो ना? इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज, ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज, और सारा पृथ्वी में ये लैंग्वेज बोला जाता है. इसीलिए इसको क्या कहते हैं? ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज कहते हैं. राइट? जैसे कि हमारा उड़ीसा में उड़िया बोलते हैं ज्यादा लोग, भारत में देखेंगे तो हिंदी बोलते हैं ज्यादा लोग. अगर वर्ल्ड में देखेंगे तो वर्ल्ड में कौन सा भाषा बहुत यूज होता है? इंग्लिश. राइट? English is spoken across the world, so
Yes,
that
sir.
is why it is global language. Number 2, studying English help you a job. Write down second point. Studying English can help you. Studying English can help you to get a job. If you want to do a job, then you can, or you have to learn English. जैसे कि हम टीचर लोग क्या करते हैं? आप लोग को पढ़ाते हैं. अगर if we do not have English language, that what we need, or how we can get a job? हमको तो जॉब नहीं मिलेगा ना. मिलेगा क्या?
सर सेकंड पॉइंट और एक बार रिपीट कर दो सर.
Studying English
Yes.
can help you get a job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third point, learn English can help you to meet new people. Third point is learning English can help you to get a job. Sorry, to meet new people. लिखा? If you have written all these things, then you have to say that yes sir, it is complete. Okay. Fourth point is what? Many scientific paper are written in English.
Sir.
Scientific paper is written in English. अगर हम साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं तो कौन सी भाषा में ज्यादातर लिखा होता है? Which language is mostly used? English is written in all science and technology. अनुष्का, गौतम, आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Gautam? Okay. Okay, take pen and paper and write down, eh?
Okay, sir.
English is what scientific paper or many scientific paper written in English. Write down 5 number. English is a language of media industry. Media का मतलब समझते हो? Do you know what is media? No, sir. मीडिया का मतलब जैसे कि हमारा रिपोर्टेड न्यूज़पेपर होता है, हमारा इंग्लिश में बहुत रिपोर्टेड न्यूज़पेपर कौन कौन सा है? द हिंदू, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, ये रिपोर्टेड न्यूज़पेपर है कि नहीं? So many reputed newspaper is written in English language. Got my point? उसके अलावा क्या होता है? ये लैंग्वेज ऑफ इंटरनेट होता है. इंग्लिश इज ए लैंग्वेज ऑफ इंटरनेट. English is a language of internet. If you want to search something on internet, what you need to do? You have to type in English so that your internet, your Google will answer you, right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It is a language of business. It is a language of business. 8 number point. Okay. Write down first, eh? Then English is, if you learn English, then you can study across the world, because English is such a language that if you have the good knowledge over English language, then you can study across the world. आपको इंग्लिश की नॉलेज हो तो आप वर्ल्ड में जहां भी पढ़ाई कर पाओगे कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
राइट. और इसीलिए हमको इंग्लिश जानना बहुत जरूरी है. Then it gives to multiple culture. It gives us the multiple culture. Or if you want to learn so many culture across the world, that what we need to do? We have to learn English language.
Sir, 8 number थोड़ा repeat कर दो sir.
8 number.
Yes, sir.
8 number, the English is most important language of business. English is a language of business.
Sorry, sir. 10.
10 number, English gives to access multiple culture. मल्टीपल कल्चर का मतलब समझ रहे हो? जैसे कि हमारा भारत की संस्कृति परंपरा, उड़ीसा की संस्कृति परंपरा, हम उड़िया जानने से भी जान पाएंगे, और हम अगर घूमने जाएंगे तो हमारा संस्कृति परंपरा को जान पाएंगे. लेकिन if you want to learn from the culture tradition of America, Switzerland, Canada, हम कैसे जानेंगे? We have to learn English language so that we can study of America, Switzerland, Canada, London, etc. and we can access the knowledge of their culture, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
So ये होता है क्या? These are the importance of English language. So you all need to learn English language very effectively. सबको इंग्लिश इफेक्टिवली जानना बहुत जरूरी है. स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू स्पीक इंग्लिश as much as you can. अगर इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? What you need to learn English or what you need to do to learn English. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? ग्रामेटिकल
इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए इंग्लिश को प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा सर.
गुड, प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, हमको ग्रामेटिकल में नहीं अभी नहीं जा रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट गोइंग थ्रू ग्रामर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ओनली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. ओके, स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश में अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगी तो क्या यू कैन स्पीक फ्लुएंट और गुड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, राइट? सो you have to speak with your friend, your teacher, with your parents, with your relative. Okay, whatever it may be the grammatical error, you have to speak English language, right? Then you have to watch movie, serial or any TV show where written English is spoken. Then you have to watch that episode so that you can learn several technique to speak English language. Got my point? TV देखते हो ना सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
टीवी में जो उड़िया सीरियल कम देखना है, इंग्लिश सीरियल ज्यादा देखोगे तो समझ में पाओगे. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट द स्पीकर और व्हाट द एक्टर इज सेइंग, द स्पीकर इज सेइंग. ओके, सो दैट ग्रेजुअली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, एंड हैविंग सबटाइटल. कुछ सीरियल में सबटाइटल होता है, देखते हो ना?
Yes, sir.
नीचे लिखा होता है. ओके, whatever is spoken in Hindi, the subtitle is also coming under that movie or that serial, so that having subtitle, that you have to watch such type of what episode so that you can learn English effectively. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then
Sir.
okay, then take the keyword, some keyword of that podcast का नाम सुने हो? Have you heard the words podcast? PODCAST.
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
जो the song which is spoken in English language, that is known as podcast. Got my point? The song which is spoken or which is sung in English language is known as podcast. Got my point? So हम गाना
Yes, sir.
अगर सुनेंगे तो इंग्लिश का गाना सुनेंगे तो हमको कुछ कुछ वर्ड याद आएगा कि नहीं? जैसे कि जॉनी जॉनी यस पापा, ईटिंग शुगर नो पापा. हम तो ये भी तो एक राइम ना. तो
Yes, sir.
तो अगर हम इंग्लिश में क्या पॉडकास्ट अगर सुनेंगे तो हमको याद आ जाएगा है. Then you have to read as much as you can. पढ़ना है. You have to read the books in English language. And finally, you have to converse. You have to converse, or you have a conversation should be there between your friend and circle, other people. When you want to ask a question to your teacher, then what you need to do? You have to ask, you have to put question to your teacher in English language. Got my point? Anushka?
Yes, sir.
Anushka?
Yes, sir.
Anushka, Gautam, Swastik and Sridhar, all are requested to unmute your video. Unmute your video so that you can interact it with me or interact it with other people too, other student too. Other student will see you and converse with you. Okay, good. Gautam has come on video. Now Anushka is also there. Swastik and Sridhar, please unmute your video. Right, you are looking so nice. Good. All are clearly visible. What? Gautam. Okay, continue. Right. So English is what? English is a spoken language, so that as much as you can, you have to practice. Now I will request someone starting from Priya, what? Vishnu Priya. Vishnu Priya, say something about yourself. Okay,
Myself.
tell me something about yourself, your name, your class, your parents, relative. Speak something.
Yes. My name is Vishnu Priya. Class 7.
Good.
Father name. My mother name. I have one brother and two sisters.
Right. Very nice. Okay, nice. Swastik Pradhan. Swastik Pradhan says something. Saswat. Sorry, Saswat Panda.
Myself, Saswat Panda. I am class reading 7. Sir, एक मिनट नेटवर्क
Okay.
थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
Myself, Saswat Panda. I am reading class 7.
Good.
My village name is Vanipatna. My father name is Saswat Panda. My mother name is Savita Panda.
Very good. Anushka, tell me something about yourself. Unmute your audio.
I am Anushka from Balipada. I am reading in Sunshine Model School, class 8. My father name is Sanjay Das and my mother name is Deepasila Sethi. That's all.
Very good. Nice. Now, Priyansi Pati. Priyansi Pati, over to you. Please say something about yourself. Priyansi Pati.
My name is Ransipati. I am 7th class. I am reading 7th class. My school name is Sunshine Model School.
Yes.
Near of railway station.
You are staying near railway station. Okay. What is your father name?
My father name is Vaikuntha Vyaripati.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Priyadarshini Pati.
Good. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one elder sister.
Good. Right. Then Vishnu Priya. Vishnu Priya. Hello. Okay. Is it audible to Vishnu Priya or not? Okay. Now Dhananjay. Okay. Say something about yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Dhananjay Kair. I read in class 7th in Sunshine Model School. My father name is Rinath Gair. My mother name is Charu Gair. I have one brother. My hobby is reading book and writing letters. My favorite game is cricket. Thank you.
Excellent. Now Gautam, over to you. Gautam.
Sir, myself is Gautam Naik. My father is a teacher and I am reading in class 8.
Very
And
good.
so I am from Borpura.
Okay. Unmute your video first. Unmute your video, Gautam.
Sir,
Okay. Speak. Now you are speaking very well.
so my name is Gautam Naik and my father name is Anil Kumar Naik. I am from Borpujari Guda and I like to play cricket and I
Good.
read books all day. And
Yes. You are
mother
nicely
name
speaking.
is Thank you, sir.
Good. Now, is there anyone left? I think Priyansi, have you told? Priyansi,
No, sir.
your turn has not come yet. Okay, say something. Priyansi.
My name is Priyanswati. I am 15-year-old. I am reading in class 9. My school name is Sunshine Model School. My father name is Vaikunta Haripati. My mother name is Priyadarshini Pati.
Good.
My hobbies are reading book and
Very good, Priyansi. What is your favorite book? Which books do you like the most? Priyansi? What is your favorite book, Priyansi? Hello? Good. You are all a good student. You are speaking very well English, right? And Anushka, what is your favorite subject?
Science.
Science. Good. Excellent. Sashat Panda, what is your favorite subject?
Sir, math.
Math. Wow. And what about English, Vishnupriya?
Sir, I like all subjects.
You are dull in English. No problem, don't worry. Okay, English is very interesting language, and language as well as literature is very interesting subject, so that you can learn English very effectively. Okay, I will give you some suggestion that how to speak English effectively. Okay, do not hesitate, do not afraid of me while you are talking in English language. Always be free. Okay, समझते टिके smile कर दिया. All are requested to smile. Smiling, what? Smiling face में पढ़ाई करना है. Are you boring? बोर लग रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
नहीं लग रहा है ना?
Sir. No, sir.
Because it is interactive, interactive class. Spoken English means that. What is that? It is conversational class. If you converse each other, then you can learn so many things. Okay, and your fairness automatically disappear. You will face no problem to talk anyone. जैसे कि हम भाई के साथ,
Yes, sir.
बहन के साथ, पापा के साथ और दूसरे लोग के साथ बातचीत करते हैं, वार्तालाप करते हैं, तो हमको क्या डर लगता है कि नहीं डर लगता है? ऐसे ही इंग्लिश भी जानोगे और किसी के साथ भी बोलना है, कुछ भी बोलना है. ओके, तुम कोई ग्रीन ग्रोसरी के जाओ या व्हाट वेजिटेबल खरीदने के लिए जाओगे, या कोई हॉस्पिटल जाओगे, स्कूल जाओगे, पेन पेपर खरीदने के लिए जाओगे, जहां भी जाओ. ओके, सो छोटा छोटा इंग्लिश बोलना भी बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, do not hesitate, do not
Yes, sir.
afraid to speak English, because English is a language, and if you talk in English language, people will also appreciate you, and okay, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, ऐसे कहेंगे कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Right, and you will feel more comfortable. You will feel more comfortable and more happy if you talk in English
Hey
language.
there. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, तो
And
मैं
also press
जिन
this
जिन
bell
पॉइंट
icon.
को ध्यान और बताया, तो these points should be memorized by yourself. If I ask you in another class that what is the importance of English language, then you have to say your 10 point, because for this point we have to learn English language. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
उसके बाद हम और डिस्कस किए 4 पॉइंट और इंग्लिश दैट what are that everyday tips to practice English language. Tips is also discussed, like you have to watch television, you have to listen your podcast, then you have to read many books, blogs, article in English language, then you have to take or converse with foreigner, relatives and other. कोई भी foreigner को देखोगे, if you meet any foreigner, then start talking with him or her so that it can be practice, right? कभी foreigner लोग को देखे हो क्या? Have you ever seen the foreigner?
No, sir.
Yeah. So have you ever?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Have
sir.
you, right. So Shashwat Panda has met
Yes, sir.
whom? Right. Have you visited Konark Jagannath temple?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand who have
Yes, sir.
visited Konark temple. Raise your hand. Only one. Right. Anushka has visited Konark temple. If you move to any, right? Okay. Shashwat Panda has also gone to Konark and Jagannath temple. And Shriyanshi, Priyanshi, Dhananjay, Gautam has not gone there. Okay, if you move there, then you can see lot of foreigner visited to our shrine. In where? You can find them in Konark temple, Jagannath temple and other holy places. Most of the foreigner come there so that you can converse with them, so that you will feel lot of happiness. Got my point? And you have to ask their culture, tradition and their attention, why they have visited to where? India, for their purpose of their visitation of India. So what? Your conversation will be going on and you will feel more happy. Got my point? So it will
Yes, sir.
provide you the opportunity to talk with
Yes,
the
sir.
foreigner, and you can also speak as native as possible.
Yes, sir. Now his screen is full, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay. अभी साउंड आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Now I shared the screen so that my laptop got hang. Okay, no problem, because there is no time is over, so that it is technical problem is happening. Okay, in next class that we'll study another thing. Okay, practice among your friend and relative and others to converse in English language. Okay.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Okay, thank you
Bye,
all,
sir.
thank you participant. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Welcome.